That was close.
5 minutes to go. I'm multitasking a lot of stuff. I'm this close to not being able to play.
Oh, come on. 1 minute to go, guys. Have you done my dish proud? We've got 10 seconds to know. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put it down, hands up, step away from your benches. That is it.
Whew. I'm looking at the other contestants' dishes. I realize that I'm missing the mint, which is a critical element to this dish. It helps to balance the lamb belly. I think I'm going home.
You guys just battled like Trojans to complete Bjorn's lamb belly recipe in just 2 hours. But remember, the least impressive dish will see someone leave the competition. The first dish we'd like to taste belongs to Sharon.
I've done my very best in cooking the dish. At this stage, I want the judges to see me as someone who can cook with precision and someone who has passion in cooking.
Okay, just based on appearances here, yeah, it's looking pretty good. I love the look of your salad. I couldn't tell if you made this or I made this.
Thank you, Chef.
Okay. Let's start with this lamb meatball. I'm gonna break this open. Happy with that? Not perfect. Your meatball needs a bit of work. It's a bit tough, okay? The finesse is not so much there on the cutting of this, but you got it nice and golden. Well done, Sharon.
Thank you, Chef.
Good effort.
The salad, lovely. Good texture. You know what? Great attempt.
Thank you, Chef. Bjorn looks at my salad and he says he can't tell the difference if he had made it or I made it. You know, that boosts my hopes up a bit.
All right, now we'd like to taste your dish, Shamsida.
At this point, we're in the top 5, and I really want to stay on in the competition because I really want this so bad. I think today I did my best, and I'm hoping they like it.
Good kibi, not enough salt. Good lamb, really crispy skin. Nothing bad to say about that. I'll eat this again. I can see you through this thing.
It's like thin.
No integration of the dukkha. I can see the dukkha on top, there's nothing below.
Okay.
And hasn't been nicely cut.
Okay.
Good balance of flavors though. I like the dressing on that.
I've never worked with butternut squash, and I've never cooked something with a blowtorch. So I felt that it's a good effort.
Next up to the tasting table, Xander.
I really let myself down today. The only hope I have is the taste and the balance is there.
It's loose, which is nice. Could be salted a little bit more. No mint.
No mint.
Wow. No mint, but that yogurt, I like that chartness. Beautiful. Dukkha, really good.
Thank you. It would mean everything to me to stay in this competition. I came in thinking that it was unattainable, but there's chance, you know? And I want it more than anything right now.
Next up to the tasting table, Jen.
Going to tasting, I'm pretty confident that I got my flavors right and the look of it right.
Nice, even sized ring of meat dough on the outside. Earlier today, I said G-E-N-I-U-S for that croquembouche.
Yes.
Now I will say G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S for this filling here.
Thank you.
And it also happens to be, so far, the tastiest kibi of the lot. I know you were a bit naughty, you did something extra.
Yeah. I didn't char the spring onion enough, so I had fried shallots. So I was like, just add a little in, balance it out a little.
Good save.
Thank you.
Not so good. There's not enough lemon to
Okay.
balance out the honey that you've put in there. Looks great. I wish it tasted great as well.
All right, the last dish to taste, Aaron.
Looking at the other contestants tasting, I realized I made a huge mistake. It was supposed to be mint on top of the lamb. I accidentally put coriander. The only thing I can hope for now is that the flavors are nice and they like it.
Comparing to what I saw with Bjorn's and yours, this is fine. This is a little bit too short. This
Too little.
is too little, yes. Let's taste this. Pressure test Sims. Okay. The kibbeh is fine. The salt is great.
I think you should take away that, yeah.
You can't bring it to a customer and then tell the customer, don't take that, don't take that.
That is true.
So you have to leave it on, and hopefully the customer doesn't realize that it was supposed to be mint on top. I find it's not salted enough, the belly. The sauce, I could taste the char, but that's it. It's just too overpowering for me. I like my wok hei, but this is all wok hei in my mouth, nothing else.
Okay.
Did you put parsley in your salad?
You know what, it's in such, yes, I'm pretty sure I did at some point. Maybe I'm just in a blur, I can't even remember what I did, to be honest.
Put the wrong herb inside as well.
Yeah, it was like really
Parsley.
fast. Towards the end, it was all towards the end.
You know the problem with this, yeah?
That was too little.
Doesn't look plush. Doesn't look like a salad should look, which is refreshing and abundant.
Completely agree.
We will take this into consideration.
Yes, Chef.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chef. Now that the judges have tasted my dishes, to be honest, I'm not feeling that great. I know what I did wrong. I'm only hoping that the flavors are there, managed to salvage it. Hopefully it's enough to bring me to the next level.